Hello everybody, this is the EYFS Maths Challenge video for Monday the 11th of May 2020. I hope that you are all well and ready to do some amazing thinking and problem solving today. For this session you will need something to write on or in, something to write with, and some counting objects to help you solve the challenges. Let's begin by trying to recognise some of the numbers. Which number is hiding underneath the green rectangle? How do you know? Well done if you said it was number 13. 13 comes after 12 and before 14. It is one more than 12 and one less than 14. What number is hiding underneath the green rectangle? How do you know? Well done if you said 27. 27 is 1 more than 26 and 1 less than 28. It's 10 more than 17 and 10 less than 37. How about this number? We have less information available, but I think we could still work it out. Well done if you said 64. 64 is 10 more than 54 and 10 less than 74. Remember, we can use the patterns of the 100 square to help us find missing numbers. This time we only know 4 pieces of information, but we can use them to work out what number is underneath the green rectangle. Well done if you said 22. 22 is 1 more than 21, 1 less than 23. It is 10 more than 12 and 10 less than 32. The answer was 22. This time we only know one number and we need to find the numbers underneath the colour rectangles. What number is underneath the green rectangle? Well done if you said it was 17. 17 is 1 less than 18. How about the blue rectangle? Yes, it's 19. 19 is 1 more than 18. How about the yellow rectangle? Can you use the information, the pattern of the 100 squared to help you? Well done if you said it was 8. 8 is 10 less than 18. And finally, what number is underneath the red rectangle? Well done if you said it was 28. 28 is 10 more than 18. We're going to do something a little bit different today with our problem solving. Here I have a picture of lots of under the sea creatures. I can see a dolphin, an octopus. What else can you see? Well done if you said a jellyfish, some crabs, starfish, turtles, sharks. Today we're going to be using this picture, and if you want a bigger version of it, it's included in the home learning overview for the week. We're going to use it to solve some problems. Here are our first problems. I don't know what the numbers are in these addition number sentences, but I have got one of the pictures from the bigger picture to help me. To solve this, I'm going to first of all count how many of each animal there is in the bigger picture. So you could pause the video and do this now. The first question requires me to use seahorses and jellyfish. So when you pause the video, start by counting the seahorses and the jellyfish. When I was counting, I found that there were 8 seahorses. Do you agree with me? Yes, so 8 is the first number in our number sentence. I only found 1 jellyfish, so my number sentence says 8 add 1 equals. Oh, I think I could do that by counting on. 1 more than 8 is 9. Now you've looked at this with me, I would like you to have a go at the other 2 number sentences on your own. There is one animal in common between these number sentences. What is it? That's right, they both have a dolphin. So you might be able to use that information to help you rather than counting the animals again each time. Adults, press pause now and let your child have a go at this. Try not to give them too much support at first and see what they do. When you're ready, press play and we'll look at these answers together. Well done. How did you find that? Let's see if we both have the same answers. I found that there were 6 turtles and 4 dolphins, and 6 add 4 equals 10. Well done if you found 10 to be the answer of that number sentence. There were 10 crabs, and already I knew that there were 4 dolphins, so I didn't need to count them again. 10 add 4 equals 14. Well done if you're able to find 14. Let's have a look at a few more questions. Again, adults, let your child try to do this as independently as possible. They might want to use their counting objects to help them. And remember, children, we've been thinking about how to count on from a number and how to use concrete resources to help us. When you think you've solved these number problems and you've written out the number sentences on your whiteboard, in your book or on your paper, press play and we'll look at the answers together. Okay, let's see how you did. There were 12 starfish and 6 turtles. 12 add 6 equals... Yes, it's 18. Well done if you were able to find 18. There were 15 fish and 5 octopuses. 15 add 5 equals 20. Well done if you're able to get that answer as well. I wonder whether you can prove that these number sentences are correct using your counting resources. You could put your objects out in front of you and show me a group of 15 and a group of 5, and then count to prove that there are 20 altogether. When you're ready, press play and we'll continue to do our self-assessment for today. How do you feel about your learning today? Show me a thumb up if you are feeling confident, a thumb in the middle if you're finding it a little bit tricky but you know how to improve, and a thumbs down if you're finding it quite hard. Adults, remember, these are optional videos, and so if your child is finding it difficult, it might be that you want to take a bit of a break this week. Take care everybody, and I'll talk to you soon.